In our previous videos, you have discussed 200 numbers of important MCQs for the all government pharmacist examination. Today we will discuss another 25 important MCQs which are most important for exam. Question number 201 is, which drugs can pass through blood-brain barrier? Options are lipid soluble ionized, lipid soluble non-ionized, hydrophilic ionized, hydrophilic non-ionized. Answer is B, lipid soluble non-ionized. Lipid soluble non-ionized drugs can pass through blood-brain barrier. Next question, question number 202 is, cytochrome P450 enzymes are mainly responsible for, options are metabolism of drugs, digestion of food, heart attack, none of these. Answer is A, metabolism of drugs. Cytochrome P450 enzymes are mainly responsible for metabolism of drugs. Next question, question number 203, a low volume of distribution of a drug indicates short biological life, does not accumulate in various organs, not bioavailable, none of these. Answer is B, does not accumulate in various organs. Next questions, liver microsomal enzymes are stimulated by cimetidine, phenobarbital, procaine, adrenaline. Answer is B, phenobarbital. Liver microsomal enzymes are stimulated by phenobarbital. Other drugs are diphenhydrantoin, phenylbutazone, phenantoin, carbamazine, rifampicin, spironolactone, diuretics, griseofulvin. Another is long-term alcohol abuse. Next question, the specialized cells known as astrocytes are present in which of the following biological barriers in the body? Options are blood cerebrospinal fluid barrier, cell membrane barrier, blood brain barrier, capillary endothelial barrier. Answer is C, blood brain barrier. The specialized cells known as astrocytes are present in blood brain barrier. Next question, the blood protein to which vitamin B binds is, options are beta globulin, alpha acid glycoprotein, alpha globulin, alpha acid glycoprotein. Answer is C, alpha globulin. The blood protein to which vitamin B binds is alpha globulin. Next question, bioavailability may be determined by using, options are plasma drug concentration versus time profile, urinary drug excretion studies, measurement of an acute pharmacological effect, clinical studies, or in vitro studies. Answer is C, I, III, and IV. All are determined, biology may be determined using by all. Next question, official name of a drug is, options are generic name, C, branded name, none of these, both A and B. Answer is A, generic name. Official name of a drug is generic name. Next question, the active metabolite of imipramine is, options are nortriptyline, amitriptyline, tryptyline, desipramine, aloxanthin. Answer is C, desipramine. The active metabolite of imipramine is desipramine. Most important and most repeated question. Next question, therapeutic index is a ratio of, options are toxic dose and therapeutic dose and percentage of response, toxic dose and percentage of toxic response, none of these. Answer is A, toxic dose and therapeutic dose. Next question, proprietary name of a drug in drug nomenclature refers to, options are chemical name, generic name, brand name, scientific body name. Answer is C, brand name. Proprietary name of a drug in drug nomenclature refers to brand name. Proprietary name or trade name for a drug is a brand name or trademark name given to a drug by a pharmaceutical company. That means brand name. Next question, transport of a drug against concentration gradient takes place by, options are active transport, passive transport, filtration, all of these. Answer is A, active transport. Transport of a drug against concentration. Against concentration means it is active transport. Or with concentration, the use of the concentration, that is passive transport or facilitated transport. Next question, pharmacokinetics is, options are the study of biological and therapeutic effects of drugs, the study of absorption, distribution, metabolism and excretion of drugs, the study of mechanisms of drug action, the study of methods of new drug development. Pharmacokinetics. Pharmacokinetics means the study of absorption, distribution, metabolism and excretion. ADME. Pharmacokinetics means ADME. Very easy to remember. Next question, a hydrophilic medicinal agent has the following property. Options are low ability to penetrate through the cell membrane, penetrate through membranes by means of endocytosis, easy permeation through the blood-brain barrier, high reabsorption in renal tubules. Answer is A, low ability to penetrate through the cell membrane. A hydrophilic medicinal agent has the following: low ability to penetrate through the cell membrane. Next question, what does the term bioavailability mean? Options are plasma protein binding degree of substance, permeability through the blood-brain barrier, fraction of an uncharged drug reaching the systemic circulation, amount of a substance in urine relative to the initial dose. Term bioavailability. Answer is C, fraction of an uncharged drug reaching the systemic circulation. Systemic circulation, most important question. Next question, large volume parenteral are administered by, options are intravenous, intramuscular, subcutaneous, intrathecal. Very easy and very important question. Answer is A, intravenous, IV route. Next question, affinity is a measure of, options are drugs binding to plasma proteins, drugs binding to a receptor, inhibiting potency of a drug, bioavailability of a drug. Answer is B, drugs binding to a receptor. Very easy and important, very important question, repeated question. Next question, the term biotransformation includes the following. Options are accumulation of substance in fat tissue, binding of substances with plasma proteins, accumulation of substances in a tissue, process of physiochemical and biochemical alteration of a drug in the body. Answer is D, process of physiochemical and biochemical alteration of a drug in the body. Biotransformation. Next question, half-life or T-half is the time required to, options are change the amount of a drug in plasma by half during elimination, metabolize a half of an introduced drug into the active metabolite, absorb a half of an introduced drug, bind a half of an introduced drug to plasma proteins. Answer is A, there is half, the change the amount of drug in plasma by half during elimination. This is T-half. Next question, two structurally different drugs providing same experimental conditions are said to be clinical response under same. Options are chemical equivalent, biological equivalent, therapeutically equivalent, clinically bioequivalent. Question is two structurally different drugs two structurally different drugs providing same experimental conditions are said to be clinical response under same therapeutically equivalent. Next question, the drug concentration between minimum effective concentration and maximum safe concentration MSC is called, options are toxic range, therapeutic index, therapeutic ratio, therapeutic range. Answer is D, therapeutic range. The drug concentration between minimum effective concentration and maximum safe concentration, this is called therapeutic range. Next question, which of the following is a prodrug? Options are rosuvastatin, flavostatin, simvastatin, atorvastatin. Which is a prodrug? There is only one prodrug from this. C, simvastatin. Simvastatin is a prodrug from rosuvastatin, flavostatin and atorvastatin is a active drugs. It is prodrug. Next question, the process of transport across a cell in particulate form by formulation of vesicles is called, options are active transport, facilitated diffusion, pinocytosis, passive diffusion. Answer is C, pinocytosis. Next question, when the rate of elimination of a drug remains constant irrespective of drug concentration, it is said to follow, options are zero order kinetics, fast order kinetics, exponential kinetics, secretory kinetics. The rate of elimination of a drug remains constant irrespective of drug concentration, is said to follow zero order kinetics. Next question, complete drug elimination occur usually after 2 half-lives, 3 half-lives, 5 half-life, 10 half-life. Complete drug elimination. Answer is C, 5 half-life. These 25 questions are most important for exam point of view. Thank you.